Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. And today we will be going over how to format a new hard drive that you've put into your computer. This will work for a virtual machine especially. So first, we're going to show you guys that there's only the one drive here that I've installed Windows on. So next, we need to access the disk manager, which you can either do by going to search, typing disk manager, and then as you can see, it pulls up create and format hard disk partitions. And then here you have the disk manager. You can also go to the control panel, open that, and then you can go to system and security. And then all the way down the bottom where it says administrative tools, you can go to create and format hard disk partitions, which will also open disk management. Or my favorite way is to right click on the start menu and go right here to disk management. Either way, you need to get to disk management. And as you can see, there's only the one drive here, but if you look, there is another hard drive here that I've done just for data. So what you're going to do is you're going to select it, right click, go to new simple volume, follow the wizard. This usually defaults to the maximum size. You can cut it into multiple different sizes if you'd like. You can assign it whatever letter you'd like. There's also other options to mount in a empty NTFS folder, which is kind of similar to how Linux mounts things. Or you can just not assign a letter or drive path and just format it. But we are indeed going to format it and assign it a letter. Right here, these are the settings. You can either not format, or you can do this, file system. You can do ExFat, which is more common for removable drives. NTFS is what we will pick. And the default alkylation size, I believe, is right there, 4096. But you can select whatever you'd like. And for the volume, we're going to call it data. And then this is selected by default, but performing a quick format just goes over the drive and marks zeros in all the data spots, but the data is still recoverable by certain tools. Now, if you want to make sure that the data is, for the most part, securely wiped, you will unselect this, and it will take a fairly long time, but it will write fake data over all the existing data. And then enable file and folder compression is also another option that allows you to save data on the drive while doing automatic compression. Hit next and finish. As you can see, it's formatting, and that took maybe a couple seconds. If you were to turn off quick format, where it doesn't mark all the data as deleted without actually deleting it, it would take you a good while, especially for a hard drive of 500 gigs. Alright, as you can see, close the disk manager, and then here it is, right here in my Explorer window. And I can write to it just as I could anything else. Just like that, I have formatted and Windows can access my new hard drive. And I do believe that is the end of our video. Let us know down in the comments what you would like us to do a tutorial over next, and we will catch you guys next time.